Marion, our little barbarian.
What can I say? My dear, to calm your fear. She's crazy, madly, badly, Madam Barbarian. Marion, heaven help us, if the distillery caught on fire and the volunteer hose brigademan had to whisper the news to
Marion,
our little
barbarian.
What can I say? My dear, to calm your fear. We'll help you gladly, gladly, Madam Barbarian. Marion, if you stumbled and busted your whatchamacallit, we would die from all the laughter and blame your half a century. Madam Barbarian. Now in the moonlight, we all start singing. In the moonlight, la 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 la. And everyone knows that the neighbors had heard every word of our songs with the stoley helping along. But when I try, in fear, to steal your beer, she will go madly, madly, Madam Barbarian. Marion, it's a long lost cause I could never win. For the civilized world accepts as unforgivable sin just stealing a drink from any barbarian, such as Marion, our little barbarian. We love you, Mar.